So this is your lab, and you're going to be asked to go to this website. And when you go to that website, right here, this is what it looks like up at the top. And it gives you some explanations, and go ahead and read through that because it'll be very helpful in completing the lab. And then you'll come down here and you want to have it look like this, and you're going to click New Data. And it's going to give you these cells, and it even gives you the total averages. What you're going to do is come back and put that into this table. So write your factors here. And then I want you to, I also have instructions. I say, make up names for variable A and B. They can be the same for all the data sets if you like maybe brightly lit, dimly lit, music, no music. It may not make the effects make, the results may not make 100% sense, but it's a lot easier to talk about the data when you do it this way. So, so you're going to fill in those variables, and then you're going to sketch a graph of the data. And yes, a little bit tricky because, you have to do, if you're going to do it on the computer, you can just draw lines. You can insert shapes, and you can just draw however your data looks. If it looks like this, get a little creative. Here would be one with no interaction. I want to change the lines because the lines have to be different colors, and voila. Or if there was an interaction, maybe it looks like this. Or maybe it looks like that. It'd be nice if you also had the y-axis and the x-axis presented. And I know my height to width ratio is not probably appropriate, but something like this, labeling also which line is which. So that can be quickly done via those tools, or you can print it up and write it out and snap a picture or print it up as a PDF. So you're going to tell me, and so you're taking one of these two graphs and replicating it on your paper. So you're taking this data and putting it in the cells on the handout. You're taking one of these graphs, the line graphs, and drawing them. And then you're going to tell me, is there a main effect? So here, it looks like there could be a main effect for both of them. This one's going down, this one's decreasing, this one's increasing. It also looks like there could be an interaction, which is here in the next slide because I drew that in. Is there an interaction? Explain. It looks like there potentially could be an interaction because the lines are converging. Okay, those are the words we want to use. And so when it says to do that 3 times, so now that was 1 time, I'm going to click it again. I don't really like the way that one looks. I like this one. This one looks like there's no interaction and probably no significance. This one makes it look like there's one main effect, but no interaction. So there's probably not much of a main effect here, but there is a main effect between these two variables. So that's what I'd like. I'd like you to have kind of an example of each one. So don't just go 1, I'm going to use this one, 2, I'm going to use that one, 3, I'm going to use that one, and be done with it. Try to come up with different examples so you have practice interpreting different analyses. And that ends it for this video.